All right, hi there everyone. This is Mike Ishizaki, and I'm one of the professors this term for BIOL 126. So I wanted to make this video just to say hello and introduce myself a little bit before you start the class this winter. So I am originally from Canada. I've been down in the States for a number of years where I've been working as a marine biologist. Typically I work at larger scales than Roja does. My research spans the fields of ecology and physiology. So I'll be teaching more of the lectures later in the term. But I'm here in Rhode Island. This is one of my field sites. I have field sites on the East Coast here in Rhode Island. I have field sites on the West Coast in Washington State. And typically I'm working on these rocky intertidal zones. So I'm interested in working on mussels, barnacles, sea urchins, and generally looking at how things like climate change affect their ability to survive in these environments. In fact, one of my sites is right down there with a bunch of mussels, so why don't we go take a look at it. All right, so I'm down here on site, and you can see besides the waves that there are rocks and there are black carpets of mussels on these rocks. And so on shores like this, the mussels will be the most abundant organism on the shore. But you can also see that there are some seaweeds. It's January 1st, 2023, so the seaweeds are not as abundant as they'll be later in the spring. And then as you look a little bit higher up in the intertidal zone, you can see things like barnacles, some mussels. So this is the sort of site that we work at. The students in my lab are typically looking at the relationship between the physical environment and the biology of the organisms. So you look at things like temperature, pH, and at a site like this, water flow, how those physical factors affect the physiology of the organisms. The way we measure that is through measuring behavior, respiration, and things like gene expression. And so looking at those linkages between the biological and physical world makes a lot of projects that are sort of framed under the idea of climate change. How is climate change affecting physical conditions at these sites, and in turn affecting the ability of the organisms to persist here? So yeah, that's about it for us. You'll hear a lot more, I'm sure, about my marine biology example through the term, but that's enough for today. I can't wait to see everyone back in Northfield in less than a week, so I'll see you all in a few days. All right, bye.